back to my channel. It's Ifeobi. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to take down your soft locks. So my soft locks looks quite rough, in fact very rough, and I've taken out a large sum of them. So as you can see, I've taken out most of my dreads and I left these ones here so that I can explain and show you how to take down your soft locks. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, to take down your soft locks is very easy. So instead of using your scissors to determine where your hair ends and cutting it off, you're just going to save your locks for another time. You're just going to grab one of your locks, and I think my locks is going this direction, so I'm going to twist it to this direction. We'll twist it to the opposite direction. Like for example, look at my locks, it's going this direction to tighten it. So to get your locks out, you have to go this direction, and by going this direction you will see that you'll be able to pop out your hair. So when you pop out your hair, when you see that you've successfully popped out your hair, you're just going to draw the rest of them out gently, and yeah, your hair is out. But that's not all. And then you will go ahead to unravel either your twist or your braids. In this case mine is braids, so I'm just going to gently and properly take that down. So I'll make sure that I get my braids out completely to where the locks stop. And when I try to pull down my locks, it's not pulling down. That means there's still a bit of braids left. So I'm just going to take down the braids. Instead of trying to untie this part that was tied, you just take down your braids, and then the locks is just going to come down easily. Mine is kind of tacky because I've had hair in for like a while, and it's looking like the dreads and my hair are just mixing together, so that's why it's kind of not easy for me to get out. So I'm just going to do it gently until I'm able to get my whole hair out. So this is able to come out. I'll just like pull it out gently, and then I'll work with the rest like so. If you try to pull it out with force or something, it's going to go back. So we're just going to pull in my hair little by little. I don't know, some of them easily come off, while some actually stay there for a while until I start growing muscles. I don't know why this locks is just so annoying, but then I want to make it again because I really enjoyed it, so I'm not going to be destroying my locks. And that's it. My hair is out completely, and I made sure I did it gently. That's just the key to taking down your soft locks. So after taking it down, I'm just going to twist that section back up. So that's how to take down your soft locks without damaging neither your hair nor your locks. So I'm still going to be able to make use of these locks because it's still intact. I didn't have to cut through this part. Got to a part where this particular locks was frustrating me. I had to cut it open. So if you feel frustrated, I will actually advise you cut it open this way instead of pulling on your real hair. So I'm just going to do the exact same I did to this one to the rest. So stay tuned. My locks to the opposite direction until I see my hair pop out, and yeah, this is my hair. I'm just going to pull that out. Very easy. My twists or braids, some were braided and some were twisted. After taking down your braid or twist, your locks is actually going to unravel by itself. It's just going to come off by itself. See that? So you just gently and easily remove your hair from it. See that? Super easy. Twist this back up. I'm done twisting my hair. So that's how to take down your soft locks without damaging your hair or your locks. So I have my locks all here. My locks are still very much intact, so I can make use of them anytime. The next time I want to use my locks, I'm just going to do a bit of trimming and maybe twisting so that it's neater and finer. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end of this video. If this is your first time watching my video, kindly subscribe to my channel. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. I see you, I see the love, and may God bless you. Kindly turn on your post notification so that anytime I post, you're not going to miss out on any of my posts. I hope this video was really helpful, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.